Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY a rock garden. I've been seeing these all over the place, all over the place, and I kind of wanted to try my hand at it. So let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified of more of these types of videos. Enjoy!
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body.